if we admit, as our book presents, that Shakespeare was writing these poems over a long period, that's not how you write a sequence. You know, you write a sequence much more quickly than 30 years, probably, and so that alone presents a challenge to any notion that this 1609 book is a
Yes,
sequence.
perhaps we should just give the basic information that between 1591 and 1597, 17 sequences of sonnets were published in England by writers including Sir Philip Sidney, Michael Drayton, and other poets, some of them not very well known nowadays. They are sequences in the sense that they are very unified. They're most of them addressed to a particular person, almost always to a woman. There's one sequence which includes poems addressed to a male person by Richard Barnfield. They're very different from the Shakespeare collection, which is why we use the word collection for Shakespeare's sonnets rather than sequence. It's sequence, of course, in the sense that one comes after the other, but it's not a sequence in the sense that one of them comes logically or necessarily or poetically, as it were, structurally.
But of course, within the collection, as you said, there are mini sequences.
There are mini
There are little runs
yeah.
of 2, 3, 4, 5, sometimes maybe sometimes more than that poems, and we identify those in our book, so we can look out for them. But it is not about anyone thinking, oh, I'll now read sonnets 1 to 154 as published in 1609 and get some kind of story from them. I mean, that's a very difficult thing to do.
Notion, yes.
Surely.
There's no story there.